Picture this. You're walking through a ridiculously dense tropical forest. The air is thick, the light is kind of splotchy through the canopy, and suddenly you hear this heavy rustling in the brush just ahead of you. On one side, you've got one of the planet's largest snakes, the reticulated python. We're talking a massive constrictor. And stepping out right across from it is the jaguar, a spectacular, heavily built big tat known for swimming, raw strength, and literally one of the most devastating bites in the feline world. Both of these guys are absolute masterpieces of evolution, total apex predators. But what if they cross paths? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into in today's explainer. Does the python's terrifying constriction overpower the cat? Or does the jaguar's explosive speed and crushing bite end the whole thing before the snake even strikes? So we're going to break this down tail of the tape style. Here's our agenda. First, we'll meet the contenders. Second, we'll look at power and arsenal. Third, we'll compare speed versus ambush. Fourth, we'll talk about the role of the environment. And finally, we'll lay out the final verdict. All right, round one. Meet the contenders. We're talking size and pure physical power here. Exceptional reticulated pythons in the wild can actually stretch over 6 meters in length. Just to put that into perspective for a second, that's basically the length of a delivery truck. You aren't just looking at an animal. You are looking at a living, breathing coil of pure muscle. Its entire body is literally designed by nature to wrap around prey and apply enormous, inescapable pressure. But waiting on the other side is a 100-kilogram wall of feline muscle. The jaguar obviously doesn't have that sprawling length. Instead, it's incredibly dense. Think huge, powerful shoulders, thick limbs, massive paws. It is built like an absolute tank. The contrast here is staggering, isn't it? You've got extreme length going up against explosive, compact muscle. So who takes the first round? Well, we have to give it to the jaguar. In a face-to-face clash, the cat's absolute control over its dense, armored body gives it a really decisive physical advantage right out of the gate. Moving on to round two, power and arsenal. Let's look at their weapons of choice. The python's toolkit is fascinatingly specific. It's armed with rows of incredibly sharp, backward-curving teeth. But here's the crucial takeaway. The python doesn't actually use these teeth to chew. Instead, they work like a giant, terrifying bear trap. The snake uses them to grab and lock the target in place. Once it secures that grip, the python deploys its signature weapon, full-body constriction. It throws those massive muscular coils around the victim and just tightens. On the flip side, the jaguar brings an entirely different flavor of destruction. Unlike the python's hold and squeeze tactic, the jaguar is built for immediate, massive damage. It's got long canine teeth, razor-sharp claws, and unbelievable forelimb strength. But its real claim to fame? Its crushing bite. This bite is so famously powerful it can literally pierce straight through turtle shells and crocodilian skulls. Plus, jaguars can unleash this attack from anywhere, the front, the side, or even leaping down from above. So, weighing these two insane arsenals against each other, who actually has the better weapons? While the python's constriction is obviously deadly, getting that heavy weapon into position takes a lot of setup time. Because of that, the jaguar takes round two. Its offensive options are just far more immediate, versatile, and instantly lethal. Round three, speed versus ambush, the tactical matchup. This is where things get incredibly intense, as we move from raw stats into how these animals actually operate. A jaguar is lightning fast. It's agile, capable of explosive leaps, rapid direction changes, and insane reflexes. The python? Well, you're definitely not going to see it chasing prey over a long distance. It relies almost entirely on infinite patience and one sudden, violent strike. Against a clueless target, it's flawless. But against a jaguar's razor-sharp reflexes, a missed first strike could easily be fatal for the snake. But wait, because here is the python's ultimate wild card, completely bypassing the jaguar's speed through pure surprise. See, the python doesn't need to outmuscle the jaguar's jaws, it literally just needs a grip. If the python lands its ambush and wraps around the jaguar's body, the cat's incredible speed instantly means nothing. The whole fight immediately turns into this desperate, terrifying close-quarter struggle for physical control. To actually pull off a win, the python has to execute a flawless four-step combo. First, the ambush. It has to strike first from close range, catching the cat totally off guard. Second, it has to secure that initial grab with its teeth. Third, it has to wrap its massive body around the cat. And fourth, it has to constrict before the jaguar can fight back. Literally every millisecond counts here. But come on, the jaguar isn't just going to sit there. Its counter strategy is completely instinctual and brutal. Step 1, avoid those coils at all costs. Step 2, stay mobile, using those explosive reflexes so the snake can't get a proper hold. And step 3, go on the offensive and aggressively attack the python's vulnerable spots. Basically, a snake trying to wrap around a fighting jaguar is throwing itself into a blender of claws and crushing teeth. Round 4, the role of environment. Because where this goes down changes everything. In the real world, fights don't happen in a sterile white room. The terrain completely dictates the winner. If they happen to meet in really dense vegetation or near water, the python has a massive advantage. It can stay completely hidden, drastically boosting its ambush chances, and it's a superb swimmer. But out on open ground, the pendulum swings wildly back to the jaguar. Out in the open, the cat can see the snake clearly, use its mobility to keep its distance, and choose the exact angle to attack. We do need to take a quick reality check here, though. Nature creates highly specialized hunters, not gladiators. Neither of these animals makes a habit of hunting the other. For a wild predator, even winning a fight can be a death sentence if they walk away with a severe infected wound. Given the choice, survival is the absolute goal, and honestly, both of them would highly prefer to just walk away in opposite directions. All right, the moment of truth. Round 5, the final verdict. Who actually wins? For the sake of this explainer, we aren't letting them walk away. Let's review the scorecard. When it came down to size and physical power, the explosive build of the jaguar took the point. For weapons and arsenal, the jaguar's crushing offensive tools gave it the edge again. Speed and agility, jaguar dominated. But down there at the very bottom, the python held on to the ultimate wild card, stealth and ambush control. So, taking all the data into account, the most likely winner in a hypothetical showdown between healthy adults of both species is the jaguar. Especially on land and particularly in any kind of open or semi-open environment, the jaguar is definitely the overall favorite. Its explosive agility, combined with the ability to unleash devastating damage before the snake can fully coil, simply gives the cat too many advantages. But there is a huge, deadly exception. You can never, ever count out a reticulated python. Actually, if the python manages to strike first, catch the jaguar completely by surprise, and secure its wrap before the cat can bring its claws and jaws into play, the entire outcome flips. This isn't just a battle of who looks stronger on paper. It is 100% a battle of who gets to use their unique strengths first. The python wins through absolute control, the jaguar wins through explosive mobility. Ultimately, nature doesn't always give us a clean-cut winner, but it definitely gives us absolute marvels of specialization. The python is an unparalleled ambush master, literally built to overpower with coils. The jaguar is a phenomenally built stalker, designed to absolutely dominate with speed and raw power. And honestly, that is exactly what makes studying these animals so incredibly fascinating. So, based on all the evidence we've unpacked in this explainer today, I've got to ask you, if you were absolutely forced to bet on just one, the massive reticulated python or the explosive jaguar, which one would you choose?